This is Mwenda Saba TV.
To the High Court, the ruling on Gachagua's case. Do you think justice was served to this man from Wamonyoro?
No, it was not.
Explain to us, your professor.
It was not. In fact, that thing is very scary, that judgment. I think Kenyans have very good reason to get worried. Because, you know, there's something in Meru, there's a saying in Meru, which says that you are killing intelligence in your body.
Yes.
So the judges are very educated people. I believe that's why they are judges.
Yes.
So they know exactly what they should have done. You see, in law, I think I can probably just refer something here so that to be very clear on this.
Yes.
In law, there are what is called the process errors and the structural errors. Okay?
Yes.
As structural errors, you can kill it with the compensation. You see, a structural error is like this house now.
Yes.
The foundation is made of sand.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then I tell you, and then you build it.
Yes.
In addition to foundation made of sand, you also build it without the license.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Then I come and tell you that you know you really made a mistake.
From the inception,
first,
you made a
you
mistake.
needed the license.
Yes.
Then number two, you needed a proper foundation.
Yes.
But let's do this. You continue staying there. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Or rather, allow the people to continue renting.
Yes.
And then I can just compensate them for if it collapses, because it will surely collapse. So the idea, the judgment was extremely defective. And it was defective in this way. I was defective. You see, to look at the judgment where it is terribly went wrong, and why I'm saying Kenya need to be worried about these judges, is because I'm reminded of 207.
Yes.
207, the political class refused to go to court because they said the court will make it no difference.
Yes.
Because the court been captured.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
You see, the problem with the corruption, it does not take place in a stadium. So you have to infer by what the people do. Now, this was Gachagua's case. Okay?
Yes.
He argued the allegations extended to failure to comply with Article 150 sub Article 2.
Yes.
Absence of a legally prescribed removal framework for a deputy president. If there was no law to remove him, on what basis then in the proceedings take place? The same court ruled that because the Chief Justice has not prescribed the procedures for removing a sitting judge, and judge cannot be removed.
Yes.
And what the Chief Justice was supposed to prescribe is what is called regulations. A law is bigger than a regulation.
Yes.
It's mandated by the Constitution. It is not there. So why didn't you even, on what basis did you try him? Okay? Now, this is what we are calling legally prescribed removal of framework for a deputy president. Defective standing orders. Okay? The standing orders in the parliament, I'm told the particular, I can't remember the particular one.
Yes, yes.
Is if you sign for a motion, then you withdraw. You can't proceed with that motion. You have to take a fresh signature.
Yes.
So that didn't happen. Failure to constitute a special committee and Article 145 sub Article 3. The Senate, when it is impeaching a deputy president or even the governor,
Yes.
it is supposed the Constitution mandate that they constitute an 11-member committee, even if the number is given. And then that committee investigates, carries an in-depth investigation of the allegations. Then it reports. Instead, they converted themselves into a committee. They violated express provision of the Constitution.
Yes.
Now, and the misapplication of constitutional timelines and Article 145. Okay? The misallocation is saying that they are the 10 days. The people who have 10 days is only the committee, not that house.
That house.
Okay?
Yes.
Now, they knew all this. And they accepted that this was wrong. And then they proceeded to compensate with the 50 million.
50 million.
You cannot accept something as unconstitutional and cure it with a fine. That is not allowed if you read the provisions of Article 25 and Chapter 4, the Bill of Rights. They say that those rights are given him by God.
Yes.
They are not given him by the state. They cannot be varied. So this court, what it indeed was an injustice to the entire country because it's undermining faith, trust that Kenyans have with the legal system. When that is undermined, the danger with that is that you will now, the political class now will be afraid of surrendering themselves to a process which is already tainted. If you imagine it's tainted, then you resort to the streets. You resort to unconstitutional methods of sorting out political disputes. That is wrong. So this court is not being fair to Kenya. The moment they agreed that the process was unconstitutional,
yes,
they should have lifted the impeachment on Gachagua.
Is he likely to move to the Court of Appeal and the chances of
I think he will. He is likely to, because I think he should. He's going to prove the process wrong all the way. Because when the Court of Appeal rules in favor, the other side will probably go to the Supreme Court.
Yes.
But you see the things for determination, I did this analysis and posted it publicly.
Yes.
The court will have to determine whether a constitutional breach can be varied. Okay?
Yes.
You see, when the foundation is wrong, it is simply wrong. So the Court of Appeal has a job here to clarify this issue. Yeah.
Wow.
And possibly the Supreme Court. Yeah.
Do you feel like the judicial system is captured by the
I think
the
this
state?
is a clear indication of capture. Because I told you, these are very brilliant people. I mean, these are clever people. And they can make a decision like that. Clearly, there is something wrong here. Yes. Because you see, why would the three judges?
Yeah, the three bench.
These are the same judges Gachagua went to, and they told them, please stop the proceedings in the Senate
Yes.
because of these constitutional provisions. They told them there is no point of stopping because we have the power to overturn whatever it is they do.
They do.
That's what they said.
Yes.
The same judges.
Yes.
So what happened? How did they forget that? And they tell us now we can't overturn him because we'll be having two deputy presidents. The same people tell us which they do. The High Court has the power to undo anything.
Yes.
The Parliament does. Or the Executive.
Yes.
Okay? Just as much as also Parliament has the power to impeach any of these guys.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
The checks and balances is very well structured in the Katiba. So on one breath, the same people tell us, we notice we have that power.
Yes.
So don't worry. Go through the process.
Yes.
Bring it to us.
Yes.
We will overturn it. So you go through.
Yes.
Then now you bring it to them. They say, okay, we can't now destabilize the state by having two deputy. What are you telling us, Juana? Okay, ipo kwa ito agora iragire dambi. Mwere. You because you have some other fellow wamekuchika ko somewhere.
Yes.
So you design to cleverly use some interesting language.
Yes.
To escape making the right decision, and that's why I think we need to rethink how to hold the judicial officers accountable for what they are doing. There is something called decision independence. This is not decision independence. This is recklessness.
Yes.
This is absolute derogation of duty. Okay, so other than complaining to the Judicial Service Commission, which I think someone should now file a complaint against this.
Yes.
Because me, I think the judges should be held accountable for this decision. This was a foolish decision. Other than that, I think somehow, you see, gross incompetence is actually one of the grounds for removal from office. I think somebody either need to approach another court or maybe first you go to the Judicial Service Commission on allegations of gross incompetence so that they can be removed, so that there is consequences. Because you can't make a decision like this because the moment we move away from constitutionalism, from living the constitution, because it's not up to the judges to manage political outcomes of their decisions.
Yes.
If the politicians make stupid decisions, let them deal with it. Stick to the law. So the idea of telling us that there will be constitutional whatever is not proper. They are not helping us. They are just creating conditions for 2007 where people don't believe that political disputes can be settled peacefully through the courts.
Now let's come back to politics. The United Alternative Government. Gachagua says that he is now retreating back to Amonyoro for 45 days after this Western tour. He is done 45 days to find the best mechanism to arrive at a common candidate for the presidency.
This is Mwenda Saba TV.